So I go to Princess Auto and I buy myself a new toolbox for my socket set because this dinky little thing just ain't cutting it anymore. That's got a bunch of extra wrenches and sockets I don't use in it. And yeah, it's just a cheap plastic toolbox. That right there alone makes it worth the $35 I paid for it. So I bring it home. And I'm loading it up. And within 15 minutes taking it out of the back of my car, because make everything out of plastic, because it's got this cheap plastic tab on here for holding the lid shut, I promptly broke it. So here's my fix. That right there, magnet out of a computer hard drive. A screw here, a screw here. You can see we got 2 screws there. Now somebody out there is probably saying, "You dummy, that's not going to work." Okay, you can see what I got in here. I got 3 finger ratchets, 2 3/8 drives, 1 1/4 drive, and I got mixing nuts and bolts and stuff. Okay, so turn this around so that you know there's no gimmick or anything. And appears to me that's holding just fine. Funny thing is, if you look close, you'll see those screws don't actually even touch the magnet. And you can see exactly why my ratchet set would no longer fit into that dinky little toolbox. We have a bigger one. Anyway, yes, you can fix a plastic toolbox with a magnet out of a computer hard drive.